Good day everyone. So for today, I'll be sharing with you on how to copy your Facebook page link. So here I am with my Facebook page. Now I want to copy my Facebook page link in order to share it uh with my followers and in order for them to share it with the others. So first, kindly go on the right side, on the upper right side, click your profile and then kindly click your profile here. I will click the romantic professor. Now, as you can see, there's a three dots below your profile name. So there's a three dots here on the right side. Click that. And then after that, once you scroll down, you will see here the personalized link of your Facebook page. So what are you going to do is to just simply copy it, and then after that you can paste it on your Facebook friends in order for them to share it with others as well. So that's it on how to copy your page or your Facebook page link.